will be continuing with our area and perimeter unit, so let's get started. Area is the amount of space that's within a particular shape. We can find area by multiplying the length and the width. The perimeter is the area around a specific shape, and we can find perimeter by adding all of the sides.
Hi everyone, today we're going to be working on finding the perimeter and area of an irregular shape. So, this is our problem. Let's read it together. Teresa wants to add improvements to her rose garden. She wants a new fence to keep the rabbits out and new mulch inside the garden. Find the perimeter so she knows how many feet of fence she'll need. Find the area so she can decide how much mulch to buy. It asked us to do two different things. It told us to find the perimeter and find the area. But before we can do that, if we look at our irregular shape here, we have two sides that are missing dimensions. So we have to find those first. So if we remember, a rectangle is a shape where the parallel sides are equal to each other. So if you can see, if we were to put a line here, we have a rectangle here. If we were to put a line here, we would have a rectangle here. So we are going to do that in order to find our missing sides. So let's start here. We know that this side is 24 feet, which would be equal to this side, but we are missing this length right here. So we would know that this length plus this length equals 24 feet. So we have 17 plus our unknown number equals 24 feet. So we are going to subtract 24 from 17 from 24, and we would bring that over. That would be a 7, and our number would be 7. So if we want to double check, we can plug it right in. We know that 17 plus 7 equals 24. So we're going to put our 7 here. Now we're going to figure out what this side is. And if we put our hand here, we can see that this is our rectangle. So we know that this side has to equal 18 feet. And we have a 10 feet up here. So we need to think about 18. We need to think about 10 plus what equals 18. So our unknown number equals 18. And to do that, we're going to subtract again. So 18 minus 10, we know that is 8. So 8 plus 10 equals 18. So we're going to put our 8 in here. So now that we know our unknown numbers, we can go ahead and find both the perimeter and the area of our irregular shape. So the perimeter, if we remember, means that we add up all of the sides. So we're going to do that. So we have 10, 24, 18, 7, 8, 17. And we're going to add those together. If we add up this side, we're going to get a total of 34. So we're going to carry our 3. And then if we add all of those up, we get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get the number 84. So we know that our perimeter, P, equals 84 feet. So we know that Teresa is going to need 84 feet of fence. Now it asks us to find the area so she can decide how much mulch to buy. If we remember, area equals length times width. But since we have an irregular shape here, it would equal two different shapes. We're going to have to find the area of two different shapes. So we can either draw a line here or we can draw a line here. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a line here. I'll do a dotted line so we know that we have two rectangles now. So for the first one, we'll do shape number 1. We have the width is 10. The length is 17. So we're gonna multiply those together. And we get 0 and 0. We put in our placeholder, and we get 7 and 1. So we know that the area of this is 170. Now we're gonna find the area of this shape. This is shape number 2. We know that our width is 18 feet. We know that our length is 7 feet. So we're gonna multiply those together. We get 56. And 7. 5 is 12. So we know that this one has an area of 126 feet. But now we need the area of the entire shape, not just the two parts of the shape. So we're gonna add those two together. So 170 plus 126 is 296 feet. So we know that our area equals 296 feet squared. So now Teresa can figure out how much fence she needs because we found the perimeter, and how much mulch she needs to buy because we found the area. If you have any questions, just bring it to class tomorrow. Thanks, everybody.